The self-service kiosk app lets your customers place orders conveniently. Kiosks reduce wait time, improve order accuracy, and most importantly, boost check sizes. Benefits that just about any restaurant can enjoy. Here are the steps to set up your Clover device as a kiosk. Log in to OrderEm.com and click Sign up with OrderEm and set up online ordering. Enable kiosk orders and order settings for your location. Then enable kiosk in the kiosk settings and save settings. Then My Kiosk will be enabled for the location after refresh. Now go to My Kiosk, choose how to configure your kiosk. Branding, menu settings, kiosk settings. Once you complete the 3 steps, now get ready to install and set up the kiosk app on the device that will serve as the kiosk. First, log in into your Clover account and go to More Tools tab to get the kiosk. Search with self-service kiosks name in search box. That will redirect to the OrderEm self-service kiosks app page. Click on Connect and choose the subscription to download the self-service kiosks app. Once the app is installed on your Clover device, you will see the KioskEm app on the home screen. Open the app, it will display with dine-in and take-out options with your respective branding settings. Once the customer selects an order type, your menu appears according to your menu settings, allowing the customer to proceed with their order. You can use any of the following Clover devices as kiosks: Clover Station, Clover Station Pro, Clover Mini. So let's get started with OrderEm by visit OrderEm.com today. Call our toll-free phone 855-210-2777 for any questions.